Alrighty, hello everybody, it's David6 here, and welcome to Let's Play Destruction Darius. I don't know what this is, it looked really cool, and there's one little neat thing that I noticed that was... So this little avatar guy on the left, or the right, will follow your cursor, and I just thought that was fucking... I thought it was neat. Look at the smile he has. Look at that smile. Seems legit. Alright, well, let's blow stuff up. Click here to choose game setting and view. Let's play it. Alright, stage 1 of 1. No idea what I'm doing, by the way. Completely blind. Okay. Whoa. That was loud. Oh, okay, so it bounces. Got it. So he throws little bouncing explosives, and I think I just blew up an explosive. Oh god. This is gonna get messy. This is gonna get really messy. Oh my god. Okay, well, I think I got through the thing I was trying to... Shit. Oh my god, there's so many bombs everywhere. Oh, and I blew up. I'm sorry. Okay, so clearly mistakes were made on that one. I think if I don't quite... throw it too far... Oh, Jesus. Okay, playing dodge bombs. Oh god, no. Running. Shit. Okay, so... Blowing up, this seems pretty tough. Like that. For a little puzzle thing, I expected it to be easy. Oh, that went too far. This is just gonna be a death. This is just gonna kill me. It's gonna happen. I don't even know why I keep going. Hiding in the corner. So many explosions. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh my god. Get to the flag. That was just the first stage, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, that went so swimmingly. And, yeah. Hey. Okay, time value, blah. Total score, 3,000. Sweet. I did good. I don't care what other people think. Okay. We're gonna play this one smart and get as far the fuck back as I can. And chuck one of Destructo Darren's Destructo Discs. That should go off any minute now, but it's not going to be enough to get through that wall, so... Destructo Disc. Take a shot in the dark and say that I'm not supposed to get hit by the clumps of dirt falling out of the sky. This game's weird. I'll give it that. It's definitely weird. Not to mention dodging the giant flying chunks of rock and dirt. Okay. I'm sorry about the lag, guys. As you guys know, I don't have the best computer for doing this. Or anything for that matter, but soon that'll be remedied. Hopefully very, very soon. This game's pretty neat, though. I'm liking it so far. I mean, it is just throwing bombs at other bombs, but I think that one's coming back. Oh god, it's coming back. Shit. I got crushed by dirt. Oh my god. You know, for a guy called Destruction Darius, he's not fantastic at destroying things. I mean, you could blame it on me, but that'd just be juvenile. So, I'm avoiding getting hit by giant clumps of dirt and stone, and trying to get to the flag. That's the goal. And I blew up a fucking explosive box again. Yay, great, yay, great. Ah, this is going well. Yeah. This isn't gonna crash my computer at all. Well, I guess that was successful enough. Kind of. You know, live and let live. Okay. So as long as that blows up as far the fuck away from me as possible, hopefully nothing will come at me and kill me. Hopefully. Eventually. That's gonna bite all the way back to me. Hey. That was a good job, David. You did good. Good, son. Done good. Got all these chunks of dirt flying in the air from you. Darius, you fool! You've done us all! Granted, there's totally a direct way to the escape route, so hopefully I'll be able to get to that. And not die. Just making my way downtown. Working fast. Dying fast. And dead now. Crap. Okay, almost there. Almost to the exit. Well, stage is completed. Okay, let's do one more stage. Yay! Lag, yay! I mean, no lag. What are you talking about? There's no lag here. No. This looks like a big pile of fuck. Gigantic, disturbing pile of Waddle, waddle, waddle. Just keep waddling, waddle. What, waddle, waddle. Waddle. What? Waddle, waddle, waddle. Waddle. 10 million hours later, I did it. I made it through the desert. Now I'm blowing everything up like an idiot. It's a solid plan. I'm just gonna run a lot, as far as I possibly can. Good decision. Good decision. If you keep slow motion running here. No worries, Darius. You're fine. Yeah, let's keep running though. Let's keep getting the fuck away from there. I don't even want to know what's going on up there. As long as it's the fuck away from me, I don't think I care too much. Oh wow, I can feel it. My keyboard is very unhappy with my decision to do this. Oh, but it's going so well. It's going so well. Hasn't crashed yet. Still hasn't crashed yet. Hey look, I'm almost to the flag. You literally didn't have to blow anything up. It was just completely optional to blow everything up. This is a good game. This is a good, that's gonna explode and kill me game. Just keep walking very slowly to, hey look, I got like 80 million. Okay, well, I think that's enough of Destruction Darius for today, guys. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Roll the dice, get lucky. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.